Hi everyone, my name is piterpakulski. Today we'll continue creating financial model of a pharmacy from scratch. Today we will talk about investment plan, the period that goes before we start operating activity, and what we have. We have some moment when we start the operating activity. By the way, if you find this video valuable, you may give us a like, subscribe us. You can also order a financial model from scratch for your unique business idea or your existing business. You can order financial model to set a clear picture of the revenues, expenses. And today we will create an automatic algorithm which will allow us to link the investment plan to the moment when we start operating activity. So we can just enter a new month and year when we start operating activity, and our investment plan will be automatically linked to this moment. So today we have September 2021. When we start our operating activity, we start the revenues. Here is this block of inputs where we set up the moment, and first of all, we need to adjust some lines, to add some lines here, and I will explain you why. We will use formats from here. So here is the moment when we start, and what we do. First we have to find the end of investment stage. What we will do, we will just take this value from this table. It will be 1 month earlier when we start operating activity. So we take this value and put it here. This will be the first step. Then we will create the countdown of investment stage. We will use if-and formula. Then we extrapolate this formula from right to the left. So here we see the countdown of months. Of investment stage, and we will link the month of investment stage, the expenses during investment stage, to the number of this or that month. How we can do that? We will go to the bottom of our financial model. For example, we will have 3 months of investment stage. So the duration of investment stage will be 3 months. Our operating activity starts in September 2021. So what we're doing, we will use VLOOKUP function for this month. We will search this value in this simple table. Here is just a simple table where we have months in the left and the number of months in the right. We will need the second column, we will need exact match. So November is the 9th month inside the year. Then we will count the month earlier to the prior to the September 2021. So it is the 9th month. For example, if we want to start in January 2022, if we want to start in 2022 January, we just adjusted these dates, then we go to our investment plan. This is January, this is December 2021. Then we will use the VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP function. We will search this value, the number of months in this table. It's very simple. We will need the second column, we will need exact match. We will fix this table in this case. So now we type the month, created the formula for month. So here we just create the table, the line, the column that symbolizes that we start operating activity in January 2022. For example, if we adjust the moment, for example, to June 2021, so here we see June, then we see the month before June, then we start so here we just start describing the investment items. So here we just place the value, how much money when you decide these 3 months of the investment stage. So what we invest in, how much we invest in, and when we invest. So here we specify the values of investments inside the investment stage. All these values are inputs, so we mark them with our specific color that goes with all of our inputs. And now we have to place this investment stage to the moment before we start operating activity. So we just copy the timeline. So now we start linking our investment plan to the chronology. So we have month number 1, 2, 3, these months, and we go to the formula, to the line that we've just created inside our chronology investment stage. We'll find 1, 2, 3 and link investment plan to this moment. So if we will fix this line is equal to 1, we will place So now we just press enter. Then we extrapolate this formula to the bottom and to the right. So now we see our investment plan linked to the moment when we start operating activity. We mark our investment plan with red. Later it will go to our cash flow statement. And for example, here it ends in May. But for example, if we want to start an operating activity, for example, in 2022, in May, so we have our payroll starting in May, revenue starting in May, fixed cost starting in May, and before May we have our investment plan, and we don't have to retype it each time we create a new scenario. So we've created an automatic algorithm for investment plan. So if you find this video valuable, you may give us a like, subscribe our channel, share this video with your friends. Also, you can order financial model from scratch for your unique business idea or for your existing business. We can help you with creation of clear picture of your existing business. So see you next videos. Thank you and bye.